In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dictionaries and set language for hyphenation in InCopy. By the end, your documents will spell check and hyphenate correctly for the languages you work with, and you'll have custom word lists for names, brands, and technical terms. First, set the language for the text you want to check. Select the text in your layout or story. If you want to apply a language to everything in a story, select all before you continue. Open the Character panel by going to Type and choosing Character. At the bottom of that panel, look for the Language drop-down. If you don't see it, open the panel menu and choose Show Options so the language field appears. Now choose the language you need, like English, German, or French. The moment you assign a language, InCopy switches to that language's dictionary for both spell check and hyphenation, so suggested corrections and line breaks follow the correct rules. Next, let's add or create custom dictionaries so your unique vocabulary is recognized. Open Preferences, then Dictionary. On Windows, that's under Edit, Preferences Dictionary. On Mac, go to InCopy Preferences Dictionary. At the top, pick the language you want to manage from the Language drop-down. To create a brand new user dictionary, click the New User Dictionary icon, give it a name, and save it. If your team already has a shared list, click Add User Dictionary and import the existing .udc or .not file. These dictionaries apply across documents for the selected language, which helps keep terminology consistent. You can also change the order of dictionaries, so InCopy checks your custom list before the default ones, ensuring your preferred spellings win. Finally, add words as you edit so they aren't flagged again. Go to Edit, Spelling, check Spelling. When InCopy stops on a word that you know is correct, choose Add To. Pick the dictionary you want to store it in, your user dictionary or the language-specific one, then click Add. From then on, that word won't be marked as a mistake. While you're running spell check, you can also open the dictionary dialog to fine-tune entries and even adjust hyphenation points manually. If a word tends to break in the wrong place, add tildes to mark preferred hyphenation points, and InCopy will follow your guidance. That's it. Assign the right language, create or add dictionaries for your workflow, and capture new words as you go. Your documents will read cleanly, hyphenate correctly, and reflect the vocabulary your team uses every day.